Welcome to the Ultimate Home Remodeling Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about remodeling your home, from the very first step of pre-construction planning all the way to the final finishing touches. We'll cover how to prepare your budget, choose the right design, work with contractors, and navigate permits and inspections. You'll also learn about common remodeling mistakes homeowners make and how to avoid them. Whether you're planning a kitchen renovation, a bathroom upgrade, or a full house remodel, this guide will give you the step-by-step knowledge you need to make smart decisions and keep your project on track. By the end, you'll feel confident about starting your remodel and turning your home into the space you've always dreamed of. So before you start, there are some really important things you should know. Let's go over the 10 things to know before remodeling your home. Number 1, budget and money. The first thing is your budget. Always know how much you're willing to spend and then add a little extra. Remodeling often costs more than expected because surprises come up, like hidden water damage or old wiring. Also, decide how you'll pay for the project, whether it's savings, a loan, or financing. Number 2, what you really want. Be clear about your goals. Make a list of the things you absolutely need and another list of things that would be nice to have if the budget allows. This keeps you focused so the project doesn't get out of control. Number 3, will it add value? Not every remodel pays off the same way. Kitchens, bathrooms, and additions usually bring the best return on investment. But highly personal projects, like a fancy wine cellar or a home theater, might not increase your home's value as much. Number 4, design and daily use. Think about more than just looks. Ask yourself, how will the space actually work every day? Does the layout make sense? Is there enough storage? Is the lighting good? And don't forget about energy efficiency. It can save you money later. Number 5, permits and rules. Many projects need permits, especially if you're moving walls, changing plumbing, or updating electrical. Always check local building codes and HOA rules if you have one. Skipping permits might save time at first, but it can cause big problems when you sell your home or file an insurance claim. Number 6, choosing the right contractor. Your contractor is the most important decision you'll make. Check their license and insurance. Look at their past work. Read reviews. And remember, the cheapest bid is not always the best one. Choose someone you feel comfortable communicating with. Number 7, timeline and living through it. Remodeling usually takes longer than expected. Materials can arrive late, or inspections can take extra time. Also, think about how you'll live during the project. Will you lose your kitchen or bathroom for weeks? Do you need to stay somewhere else for part of the remodel? Number 8, quality of materials. Decide on the quality level of the materials you want. Some people go with budget-friendly options, while others choose mid-range or high-end. Keep in mind, cheap materials may save you money now, but they often wear out faster and cost more in the long run. Number 9, future needs. Think about how your life might change. Do you plan to have kids? Will parents move in one day? Do you want to grow old in this house? Planning for the future now can save you from having to remodel again later. Number 10, resale and market value. Even if you don't plan to sell soon, it's smart to think about resale. Avoid going too personal with your design choices, because what you love might not be what buyers want. Also, look at what homes in your neighborhood are worth so you don't spend way more than you can get back. And that's it. 10 key things to know before remodeling your home. Remember, a successful remodel isn't just about making your space look beautiful. It's about smart planning, making the right choices, and being prepared for the unexpected along the way. If you take the time to plan carefully and keep these tips in mind, you'll not only avoid costly mistakes, but you'll also create a home that's functional, valuable, and truly fits your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future home remodeling tips and guides. And let me know in the comments, what's the one area of your home you'd love to remodel first? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.